Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix or download shortcuts not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have open the Instagram app. So you have click on share, then you have click on share to scroll up, then you have seen my iPhone is our download shortcuts is available. So I will see he is working or not working on my iPhone. So you have click here, and then you have permission given, then you have some instructions or download. So you have given on your iPhone, then you have file download any video from his automatic download. First time you have download the video, then he given instructions, then you have otherwise not given instructions. So I will see the video is download in this time. So how to download our download shortcuts on iPhone? So you have opened the Safari, so you have searched the theme points web tag website. So then you have click on three dots, click on iOS shortcuts, then you have click on all media downloader, then you have scroll up, then you have seen my iPhone or downloader install shortcuts, open, then you have loading, some seconds wait, setup shortcuts next, and then add shortcuts. I have already download. You already have shortcuts name or download, would you like to replace your shortcuts? So then you have replace, then you have click on my shortcuts, then you have click here, and then uh, some instructions given allow, then you have wait a few seconds. So then you have updated the app, so you have wait a few seconds, then you have this shortcuts, so you have wait a few seconds, open the shortcuts, setup next, add shortcuts, replace, allow, wait a few seconds, then he's done, and then he's working on your iPhone. I have seen my iPhone, then otherwise, so you have another video I will download, then this video I have download the share to scroll up or download is downloaded working my iPhone allow. You have first time I told he's given instructions from you, so then you have allow, then wait a few seconds, then video is download in your gallery on iPhone. So wait a few seconds. So guys, in this video you will seen how to download or download with shortcuts any video I will see in my iPhone gallery. So you have seen my iPhone gallery, then you have this video, and this time I download my iPhone. So then you have seen so hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.